Hi, boys and girls. For our math work today, we are going to fill in the missing numbers on a number line. This is important so when we are taking our tests, if we're given a number, we can tell what number comes before or after or might be missing. So this is a 120 chart, so we're just going to go through and write the numbers that are missing. So we start with 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the first line. So when we look at the next line, we're looking at 11, 12, 13. So after 13 comes 14 and then 15. Okay, so if we look at the next line, we have 21, 22, 23, 24. So next is 25, 26, 27, and then it finishes out. So what I want you to do is push pause and do the writing and then push play and see if you got the same answers as me. If you didn't get the same answers as me, then I want you to check it and fix them. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have both finished our hundreds chart, I want you to double check and make sure that all of your numbers are correct. If they're not, please go back and fix them. So push play and check your answers, and then, or push pause and check your answers, and then when you're done, push play and we'll work on the back side. Okay, did you get all of your numbers fixed? So good job, boys and girls. So we just have more rocket math today. And so the first thing that we do is we look for the neighbors that are subtracting each other, and we go through and just put a 1 because those answers are all going to be 1. So I'll do the first couple of rows with you. And then I want you to find all of the neighbors and put a 1. After that, when we do a -1, we just write the number that comes before. So the number before 4 is 3. The number before 9 is 8. The number before 8 is 7. Let's see what else we have. The number before 3 is 2. So find all of the -1s. Then you can go back in and fill in the ones that you didn't do that are either -2 or -3. When you're finished, raise your hand for your teacher to check it. Good job today, boys and girls.